Hey guys, welcome you all. Today is a lucky day because I am going to announce the name of the lucky winner as we announced that we will choose a lucky winner on this platform. But before announcing the name, I would like to share the idea to give away. Why I am doing it. This is nothing guys, it's a trend of our system. Like when I was in nursing school, that time our teachers used to do that to motivate or to encourage us to study. That's why here I am trying to motivate my lovely subscriber to work hard and to get success. And I am giving a book to the winner. This is not a subject book because I believe in development of overall personality. That's why I choose that book for a giveaway. A famous saying that books are real friends, and I believe it's true. Because you cannot have someone all the time beside you to guide you or to motivate you. This is the best way to improve personality. There are a lot of books you can choose according to your interest and hobbies, like autobiographies of such great leaders APJ Abdul Kalam, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs. The list is so on. And if you want to learn some business tactics, so you can choose books based on entrepreneurships. And time is money, guys. Do not waste your time or do not burn your time. Just invest your time into the development of your personality. So at last I'm going to announce the name of lucky winner, and the name is Simran Devi. Simran Devi was the first subscriber on our platform. She is learning new things from our videos. That's why she appreciated our efforts. So Simran, please contact us through mail, or you can just send your address into the comment box so that we can send your giveaway on your address. So please contact. That's all for now guys, and we'll do a next giveaway by the end of month in April. So keep studying and register your feedback below in the comment box. Please do share on Facebook and WhatsApp to win our next giveaway. Till then, take care, keep studying, and bye bye.